It's crazy to me that most people not okay with being alone. Back in 2020, when the whole COVID situation was happening, people was literally going crazy. You know what I'm saying? People was going crazy because they couldn't accept being alone. They always had to be in somebody's face. They always had to talk to somebody. They always had to go party. They always had to go to the club. They always got to be in a relationship with somebody. But they ain't been working on themselves. Right? Like, yeah, it's cool to talk to people here and there, but bro, you got to work on yourself. You have to focus on yourself. You not focused on yourself. That's why it's driving you crazy. Right? You not getting shit done. That's why you have to be around somebody 24/7 because you not working on your fucking self. Why is you always worrying about other people? Why is you always trying to get in the mix? Get your shit done first. Then you can get in the mix. Why is it so hard for people to be alone? You must accept your solitude. Let me say that again. You must accept your solitude. That's why a lot of y'all dudes be getting fucked over and getting shitted on and getting shit tested so many times by these women because you're so quick to get in a relationship with this woman. Why is you so quick to be in a relationship with this woman? Why is you so quick to see this woman? Right? After I get a woman number, I'm not finna text you in the next 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Right? I'm gonna text you that day, but it's gonna be an hour or two. You know what I'm saying? I'm not so focused on you, baby. I don't have to see you, baby. I don't have to sleep with you, baby. I don't have to be in a relationship with you, baby. You really not all that for real, baby. Right? But a lot of y'all dudes can't accept being alone. I could be by myself every fucking day. Right? I could be by myself every fucking day and get shit done. Right? And I'm not saying, bro, not talk to nobody, not do this, not do that. Yeah, you can still talk to people, bro, but you don't have to always be outside. A lot of y'all dudes be outside 24/7. You don't got no money to your fucking name. You don't got your own crib. You don't got your own car. You don't got shit. You could barely afford your phone bill. You know what I'm saying? You always spending your money outside. You always spending your money in the clubs and shit, knowing you can't afford the shit, but you spending it anyways because you see everybody else around you spending it. Don't be like them. Be better than them. Be better than them. Guys, you gotta look in the future, right? You gotta look in the future like, okay, if I put this grind in, this hard work, dedication, consistency, blood, sweat, and tears into this shit, whatever you trying to accomplish, zone out, tunnel vision, work on this shit, and then a couple weeks go by, a couple months go by, a couple years go by, you ahead of all them dudes that was at the club throwing all their money. You're ahead of them. Right? And guys, let me be clear. I'm not saying not to interact with people, not to socialize with people. But bro, you have to get comfortable with being alone. A lot of y'all dudes not comfortable with being alone. That's why a lot of y'all dudes be so thirsty and chasing these women. You chasing these women, but you don't got yourself together. These bitches, they don't want you if you don't got yourself together. They don't want you. If you don't got no money, no car, no crib, no nothing, they don't fucking want you. If you can't afford to get a haircut, they don't fucking want you. If you can't afford to get nice clothes, they don't fucking want you. And I'm not saying you have to buy designer. I'm not saying you have to buy jewelry. I'm not saying you have to buy all the other extra ass shit, right? But if you can't have decent, nice clothes on, these bitches, they don't fucking want you, bro. So why the fuck is you wasting time? Don't you want to be able to provide for your family? Don't you want to have a nice ass lifestyle? Don't you want to be able to travel, do what the fuck you want to do whenever you fucking want to do it? Don't you? You have to put the fucking work in. You have to grind for this shit. Right? You have to be tunnel vision. Some days, some nights, you're going to be fucking lonely. Nobody can fucking help you. Nobody can give a fuck about your situation. Everybody else got their own fucking problems. So you crying, you bitching, you moaning to other people about your problems. They don't give a fuck about it. They don't care. And stop listening to these women when they say, oh, show me your feelings, tell me your feelings, tell me what's wrong, this, that, third. These bitches, they don't understand your fucking problems. They not going through it. Men and women, we live different fucking lives. We don't live the same. We don't live the same. So they can't fucking comprehend what the fuck you going through. These dudes, your best friends and shit, yeah, you can tell them your problems, but deep down, bro, they don't give a fuck about your problems either because they got their own fucking problems they got to deal with. So yes, it's going to be fucking lonely. It's going to be lonely at the fucking top. Yes. Yes. Are you ready for it? Are you fucking ready for it? Do you want to stay at the bottom for the rest of your fucking life? Do you want to have a fucking average ass, regular ass lifestyle for the rest of your fucking life? Do you want to be a bum for the rest of your life? Not me. I don't. I don't. I work my ass off every day not to be average, not to be fucking regular like everybody else. No Sirski. Right? Yes, I still interact with people. Yes, I still talk to women. Right? But there's days where I'm just fucking tunnel vision. Right? There's days I'm fucking tunnel vision. I'm working on myself, working on my appearance, working on my mindset, my mental health. Right? Working on my fucking business, getting this shit booming. You know what I'm saying? Yes, you can do all this together. Yes. But most of y'all dudes, y'all always try to be outside and shit. Outside's going to always be there. The clubs, the strip clubs, the partying shit, that's going to always be there. Who wants to go fucking clubbing? Who wants to go to the fucking party with no money in their pocket? That shit not fun. That shit is not fun, bro. That shit is not fun. Right? It's crazy because I usually don't go out, right? I usually don't go to the clubs. I usually don't do none of that, right? But Saturday, after the Gervonta Davis and Frank Martin fight, I had went to the strip club, right? Got the section and everything. I don't go to clubs if we're not having no fucking section. You don't get the full experience. A lot of y'all dudes go to these clubs and y'all not even getting the full experience. Y'all sitting by the wall, by the bathroom and shit. You know what I'm saying? You sitting by the wall and by the bathroom and expect to get bad bitches in the fucking club. Right? And no, guys, I don't club every day. It's 2024. Today, that was the first day I went to club this year. 2024. We 6 months in. 2024. That was the first day I went to the club this year. You know what I'm saying? I don't go to the club often, but when I do, I want the fucking section. I want the fucking section. I don't want to be by the bathroom. I don't want to be in the fucking middle. No. And that's what I mean, guys. You got to get comfortable with being alone. You got to get comfortable with grinding, working hard, getting to the fucking next level. So when you do party, when you do go out, you can have a fucking fun time. You can really do what the fuck you want to do. How the fuck you expect to get bad bitches? How the fuck you expect to get these women in these clubs? And you not the life of the party. You by the fucking bathroom. They don't want your ass. You look fucking regular. These bitches don't want regular ass men. They don't want that. They don't want no average ass man. They don't want that. They want the dude in the fucking section. They want them. All the women in the club is looking at the men that's in the section. Right? So I'm the dude that's in the section. I'm going to always take your girl. If you go to the club with your girl, right, and she see me in the section, she's getting fucking took. She's getting took. She's like, damn, why the fuck I'm by the bathroom? Why the fuck I'm in the middle in the fucking club and I ain't doing shit? This shit not fun. I want to go to the fucking section where all the bottles at. But guess what? I had to be alone. I had to work on myself. Right? A lot of y'all dudes be fucking doing shit and y'all don't have the money for it. That shit is crazy to me. That shit is blasphemy. That shit is really blasphemy. Right? Guys, it is imperative to be comfortable with being alone. You have to be comfortable with being alone. Some of y'all dudes can't even fathom being alone. Come on, guys. Like, bro, y'all gotta get with it, bro. And the reason why I made this video today, because I was in the fucking gym today and I heard this dude, he was like, bro, I don't know, I can't be alone, bro. I really can't be alone. I'm always thinking about a girl. I'm always trying to go outside. I'm always trying to party. I'm always this. I'm always that. And in my head, I'm like, bro, I gotta make a video on this shit. I have to make a video on this shit because that shit crazy to me. What you mean you can't be comfortable with being alone? What you mean you can't be alone? What the fuck? What the fuck? See, when 2020, when the COVID shit was happening, I was cool at the house. I was fucking cool. I was having a fun time. Right? I was having a fun time while everybody else was going crazy, driving themselves crazy and doing all this crazy ass shit. I was cooling at the house. Cooling it. Right? Getting shit done. Working on myself, bettering myself. Providing for my family so we can have a better future. Right? I'm trying to get shit so my family can be straight. You know what I'm saying? Like, bruh, alone is the last of my worries. You know what I'm saying? Being alone is the last of my worries. I'm not even worrying about that. I gotta get shit going. You the man of your household. You got to get shit going. If you not getting shit going, then your family going to be at the fucking bottom. Your family is going to be at the fucking bottom. Everybody depending on you. Yes, you have all the weight. Yes, all the weight is on your fucking back. Right? So keep walking. Keep pushing forward. Keep stepping. Keep grinding. Keep hustling. Right? It's going to be worth it at the end. You still live your fucking life. Right? But you have to be comfortable with being alone as well so you can get shit done. Otherwise, nobody's not going to do the shit for you. Nobody's not finna do the shit for you. Nobody's finna give you a fucking handout. Why the fuck is you always looking for a handout? It's way better when you achieve shit by yourself. Yes, I did that shit by myself. Yes, I made 6 figures by my goddamn self. Yes, I made 7 figures by my goddamn self, right? Because I put the fucking hard work and dedication, blood, sweat, and tears into this shit, right? A lot of y'all dudes be accepting and be wanting to get handouts and shit, right? You trying to cheat your way up to the top. Why the fuck is you trying to cheat your way up to the top? Love the process. I started off with 0 subscribers on this YouTube shit. 0. I'm still new to this whole YouTube shit. I'm new to this shit, right? But I'm loving the process. Every subscriber, every view I get, every like I get, I'm fucking with it. I'm liking this shit. Thank you. Thank you for fucking with the channel. Thank you. Right? I'm loving the process. I'm not looking for no fucking handouts. I don't give a fuck how long it take me to get to 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 100,000 subscribers, 1,000,000 subscribers. I don't give a fuck how long it take. I love doing this shit. I love the process. I love the fucking game. I love the hustle. Right? I love the fucking hustle. I can do this shit all day. It gotta be in you, not on you. You know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all don't be having that drive in you. A lot of y'all don't be having that motivation, that hustle in you. Right? Y'all be trying to find a quick way out. There's no supplement. Nobody's not finna help you. Nothing is finna help you. You have to put the fucking work in. In order to put the fucking work in, you have to be alone by yourself to put this shit into use. Right? You have to get comfortable with being alone so you can get shit done. I'm not saying you can't have a social life and not talk and not interact with people, but bro, you have to also as well be comfortable with being alone, bro, so you can get more shit done. Right? You think these billionaires, these multi-millionaires, you think they was partying all the damn time? You think they was partying, being outside all the damn time, being in these clubs, being in these parties, going to these kickbacks all the damn time? To get the success that they got? Fuck no. They had lonely nights. Lonely nights to get to where they at now. Now they can do what the fuck they want to do. A lot of y'all dudes can't even do what the fuck y'all want to do. Hell, I still can't kind of do what the fuck I want to do yet. Right? I want to be able to do what the fuck I want to do whenever I want to do it. Right? I want to be able to call a jet right now. Hey, pull up. Let's go. We finna go out the country. We finna do this. We finna do that. Right? I want to buy the fucking yacht for the whole week. You know what I'm saying? For the whole month. You know what I'm saying? I want to be on that type of shit. A lot of y'all dudes not even thinking that far ahead. That's what I'm thinking at. I'm thinking of yachts, jets, and shit. Right? That's what I'm thinking. Right? All my family, we don't even have to fly Delta no more. And I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with flying Delta and all this extra. I'm not saying nothing wrong with it. But, hey, y'all want to go to a field trip? Y'all want to go out the country for the week? Y'all want to go out the country for the month, the year? Because I can afford it. I can afford it for all of us, right? Hey, you quit your job, baby. Hey, mom, you quit your job. Hey, dad, you quit your job. Hey, uncle, you quit your job. Hey, brother, you quit your job. You don't even have to worry about it. It's all on me. I got you. You straight for life. That's the shit that's the shit I'm on, guys. You know what I'm saying? That's the shit I'm on. That's the shit I'm on. Right? A lot of your friends, yeah, you see them spending money. Yeah, you see them buying bottles and shit, but they can't buy no jet. They can't fly private. They can't do that shit. They can't get a yacht whenever they want to. They can't do that shit. They can't travel out the country whenever they want to. They can't do that shit. So why the fuck is you always trying to be outside with these dudes? These bitches. These bitches, they damn sure don't got no money. So they just fucking thirsty. They just fucking draining your shit. Right? These bitches, they get in clubs for free and shit. But guess what? You still gotta pay for the bottles. You still gotta pay for the section. right? So they whole night is fucking free. But guess what? Who's paying for it? You is. But guess what? You don't really have no money like that to pay for that. So guess what? You spend your fucking last on that shit to make these bitches and make all these dudes happy and shit. Right? Guys, you have to get comfortable with being alone, bro. That party and that club and shit, that's gonna always be there. That's gonna always be there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, last Saturday, yeah, it was cool to go to the club and shit, but I wasn't missing nothing. I was not missing nothing. Yeah, this shit was fun. Yes, I had a fun time at the club, but I was not missing shit. That shit is going to always be there. Them bitches, them strippers, they always gonna be there. They always gonna be there. I don't give two fucks about it. They always gonna be there. Right? You have to focus on getting your shit together. You have to focus on getting yourself together, bro. Getting yourself together. Nobody's not going to do it for you. Everybody's depending on you. Everybody is depending on you. You is the fucking man of the house now. You is the fucking leader now. Right? Your siblings, your cousin, your family members, they looking up to you. Right? But you got to put the fucking work in. You have to be okay with being alone. You must accept solitude, bro. You must accept that shit. Be cool with that shit. Get comfortable with that shit. Right? I'm not saying, let me say this again. I'm not saying not to socialize. I'm not saying to go on fucking monk mode. That bullshit. That stupid ass shit. Nah, we still talk to bitches. We still interact with bitches. We still fucking these hoes. You know what I'm saying? We still doing all that shit, right? But I'm comfortable with being alone too. Baby, I don't have to see you every day. Baby, I don't want to see you every day. You know what I'm saying? Hey, bro, I ain't really trying to party with you today, this week, this month, this year, right? I ain't even on that this year, right? Because I got bigger and better goals I have to accomplish, right? Guys, come on. You got to get with it or you're going to get fucking left. You have to get with it or you're going to get fucking left. Time is going to fly by. Time is going to fly by. You don't have no time. Stop thinking you have time. No, you don't have time. A lot of y'all don't be having that urgency to get on it, to push the fucking gas. You don't have that fucking urgency enough. You comfortable with being at the fucking bottom. You comfortable with being a fucking bum. You're comfortable with being average, regular. You're comfortable with that bullshit. I'm not. Fuck all that. I'm trying to be better than all that. I'm trying to be better than all y'all. You know what I'm saying? That's the mindset I have. I'm trying to be fucking better than all y'all, so I'm gonna fucking outwork all y'all. While y'all at the clubs, while y'all partying and shit, I'm at the house getting to it. Right? And as well as that, I'm working on my looks and attractiveness, my mouthpiece, all that shit. Right? So when I do go outside, the bitch is gonna already be choosing because I'm working on that shit too. I'm talking to bitches as well too. You know what I'm saying? I'm working on my image as well too. You know what I'm saying? You have to be comfortable with being alone. You must accept your solitude. Right? You must accept your solitude, bro. You must. As a man, you must accept your solitude. Otherwise, you're going to always be at the fucking bottom. Nobody's going to respect you. You want to always be fucking invisible. You're not going to get no bitches. They don't give two fucks about you. You can't provide. You can't do shit. You don't have no car, no phone, no house. You know what I'm saying? You don't got no bill, no real bills. They don't give a fuck about you, nigga. They don't care about you. They don't give a fuck about your struggle. So you better get to it. You better have some urgency in you. You better have some fire in your ass to get to it. Otherwise, you gonna be fucking sexless, miserable, depressed, not getting no bitches, sad. Right? You better get fucking to it, bro. The clubs, the party, the kickbacks, that shit gonna always be there. That shit's going to always be there. I promise you, bro. You ain't missing shit. When I went to the club, I wasn't missing shit. I'm like, okay, it's cool. I had a fun time, but I ain't missing shit for real. You know what I'm saying? I ain't missing shit. It was cool, but you know what I'm saying? I don't have to go to the fucking club, party, kickbacks. I don't have to be in fucking everybody's face every damn day, every damn weekend. You know what I'm saying? I don't have to do that. I'm cool with being alone. I'm cool with working on myself. I'm cool with bettering myself, right? And you must understand that as a man. Otherwise, you're going to always fucking fail. And yeah, that was the video for today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, this your boy Deron. I'm out. Peace.